Hey guys, welcome back to KMCJ TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to make black eyed peas in the crock pot. Go ahead and grab any type of smoked meat that you like. I like turkey legs, so I'm going to go ahead and use this for this recipe. Then go ahead and get any type of black eyed peas you like. You're going to first start with putting your smoked meat inside the crock pot. Then you want to rinse your black eyed peas for about a good 1 minute and then go ahead and pour them on top. After you're done that, you're going to cut up 1 onion and just throw the onion on top also. This recipe is so easy, it really does not take much to make it. After you're done adding in your onion, you're going to go ahead and take 3½ cups of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can just use plain water and add chicken bouillon. After you're done adding your water, you're ready to go ahead and start with your seasonings. You're going to go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, and then also 1 tablespoon of salt. Now you are done and ready for this to cook. Once you have all your seasonings in, go ahead, place the lid on top, set your crock pot to high for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it should look like this. Your turkey wings should be falling off the bone. Any type of smoked meat should be falling off the bone. I went ahead and served this with some white rice and sweet cornbread on the side. You can go ahead and serve it with whatever you like. If you're going to go ahead and try this recipe out, go ahead and do me a favor and put in the comments how it came out and how much you loved it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and have a happy new year.